this Mosaic tips and tricks, I'm going to go through the few simple steps of printing a packing list or a list of all your cabinets based on either the floor plan or the elevation in the rooms. Now you can see here I've got a downstairs kitchen drawn as well as an upstairs kitchen. Let's start in the downstairs kitchen. When you're in the Products tab, if you go to your File menu, Export, and then go to Export to HTML, you can set up your own display settings. This will alter the display of your elevation or floor plan based on your layer settings. I have a listing of all my cabinets, the name of the cabinet, width, height, depth, and if it has a finished end or not on it. Another thing you can do is if you want the elevation view, simply go to the elevation view, go to File, Export, Export to HTML. If you have more than one elevation in the current room, you can select all elevations. This is done on a per room basis, but now you can see my picture is of the elevation with the same listing of all the cabinets. One nice thing about this is, let's say you're in this upstairs kitchen, and I go to my elevation view. I can now go to my File, Export to HTML, and select all elevations, and this will actually print the elevations for both sections of walls. You can highlight these items and make a copy of it, and then simply go to an Excel spreadsheet, highlight and paste that information, and now you can place it in an Excel spreadsheet if you would like. You will have to adjust your column widths, but that is very printable for you. Another thing you can do is if you would like everything combined to the same page, simply go to the Order tab, select Include All Rooms, and then go File, Export to HTML. This will not give you a picture of the actual plans, but it will list all the cabinets in the job. You can see on the right side here, you do have the room numbers as well as cabinet numbers. And once you bring this into an HTML, you can simply go to your menu and go to the print, and you can now print it to a PDF and email it to your customer.